Hello, this is Spixie from goso.io, and today we're going to talk about our brand new service, which is the automatic Instagram comments. To get hold of these brand new services, go over to www.goso.io, head over to services, and then click on the Instagram comments. In this area, you'll see all the packages that we have currently for the auto comment service. So if you're seeing this in the future, you'll probably see many more packages that we have to offer. Simply look through and select which one that you like. Comments per post is how many comments you get per post. You get 3 posts a day up to a month. So if you go to the auto comments ultimate, it's 30 to 40 comments you'll get per post. Unlimited custom comments, we're going to give you access to a part of the website once you actually order this, where you can type in as many comments as you like and it'll pick one of them by random. The drip feed arrival time is the time that it takes to hit your post. So if you make a post now, between 0 and 15 minutes, you'll get between 5 and 10 comments. If you're on the auto comments at Supreme, you'll get 40 or 50 comments drip fed every 5 minutes within the first to 50 minutes. And we currently have 2,000 random accounts that will randomly send a comment to your post every time you make a post. After this, simply click on order now on any of these, and I'm now going to show you the next section. So you selected your product, you've paid for it, and you've logged into www.goso.io. You're going to reach this page here now, which is going to list all your active subscriptions. So as we've got a new subscription here, it'll list a name and how many days you got left, and it'll say please make sure you add a custom list of comments here. You're going to click on this, and then we're going to add some comments. So now we need to create our comments list, and simply go to add new account comment list. Type in your username for your account, so goso.io, and now we're going to start adding comments. You click on add new comments and you add as many as you like. So we're going to say great post, keep up the work, I love it. You name it. You can even add emojis, and if you look here, it tells you how many comments you need to type in for the different packages. Obviously the more you add, the better it becomes. If you want to use emojis, you can middle click or create a new tab, and you can start copying and pasting from this website and start adding emojis. You can do whatever you like. I'm going to pre-fill this information. I'll come right back. I spent about 10-15 minutes adding new comments, and as you can see, I've added around about 60 or 70, maybe a bit more. I've not counted, but what I would recommend as you type them in is always click on this save account, because if for some reason your internet goes down, you're going to lose all your comments. So like, wow, great, awesome, keep it up. So I'm going to click on save your account, and when you save it, it goes back. Wow, I've actually added 122 comments. So now when I click on that button again, I can go in and add more of them. The more the merrier. And if I don't like a comment, I can either type in here, change it to whatever you like, or click remove comment. You can remove as many as you like as well. It's all in real time. And if you will go to the very bottom, click on save, and it will remember your list. So now you've added a list, you've added your username, which you're going to use for the auto comments. You click on the go back to your active services. So we're now back on our active subscriptions page. As you can see, we're still not active with this, so we need to type in the name of your account. As soon as you click on submit username, it will activate and start the comments. So as you can see now, it says active. This means that the system is now in place, and it's now going to check your account every few minutes to see if there's a new post. It's going to grab your comments, it will randomize them every single time, and then select a few of them and then make the comments on these random 2,000 accounts. It's as simple as that. So now to test to see if it actually works, I've left my account for around about 10-15 minutes. It's going to go to my last post no matter what. So even if I posted last week, it would check for the latest post. In this case here is this one, which was 2 hours ago, and if I scroll down, you can see all the random comments which were on my list of 122 comments. It's now picked these ones out totally randomly. If this was a brand new post, you have up to 60 minutes to like and reply to these posts. It looks so natural, it looks so real, and it will propel you onto the Explore page. We are so pleased that this is actually live. It has taken months of development time and effort to get this to you. So please use it, enjoy it, and go viral. See you next time. Here at Goso.io, we do actually offer services to get you back on the viral page. We do Powerlikes, which are from random sources. You'll get a random number of Powerlikes as well, random saves, you name it. We have hundreds of customers who love our service, and we're constantly updating our service to be one step ahead of the algorithm. So if you are interested, you can go to www.goso.io. We do offer a trial for free Powerlikes as well, which is unlimited free Powerlikes to test out our services. If we do work out for you, we do have paid services as well. Check out the website www.goso.io and please subscribe to this channel.